my native land. He asked me the old man by the street. Blind, lonely, and poorer than me, tell me what my land is like. Breathe, Kaka, I said. Breathe deep. The warm air that reminds you of your childhood friends is what your land is like. The cool breeze on your face this morn after last night's endless thunder and rain is the peaceful breath of your land.